Is your picture up here?
Yeah.
Huh?
They didn't even have a tiger.
Take me to
And now they're coming after us and operating council and everything. These are the situations where you get very.
Class has done just that. As you receive your flags today, I hope you see that not simply as reminders of the past, but as symbols of possibility for the future. A reminder that citizenship is active, that freedom carries responsibility, and that the character of our communities and our country will someday rest in the hands of people sitting right here in this room. I also want to take a moment to sincerely thank Mrs. Dawn Morrison, our Assistant Superintendent for Curriculum and Instruction, for the tremendous effort she put into organizing this meaningful event. Ceremonies like this do not happen by accident. They require vision, planning, care, and a deep belief in creating experiences that matter for our students. Mrs. Morrison has worked tirelessly to make today possible, and we are incredibly grateful for her leadership and dedication. She is a true patriot, and I want to take a moment to acknowledge her with a round of applause. She got two, but she deserved it. She definitely deserved it. Everything you see here today has her touch on it. We appreciate her so much. Seniors, this ceremony comes at an important moment in your lives. Graduation is close. Your paths will soon begin to separate in many different directions. But no matter where life takes you, I hope you remember this community, the people who supported you, and the responsibility we all share to contribute something positive to the world around us. So congratulations, and may you carry forward not only these flags, but the values that they represent. Thank you.